Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to import favorites Firefox so you can back up your favorites or move them to another browser or device easily. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. Step 2. Click Bookmarks from the menu. This shows your saved favorites and bookmark options. Step 3. Select Manage Bookmarks. The library window will open. Step 4. Click Import and Backup at the top of the library window. Step 4. Choose Import Bookmarks from HTML. This option lets you restore bookmarks from a saved file. Step 5. Select the bookmark file from your computer and click Open. Your bookmarks will be imported into Firefox. Step 6. Wait a moment for Firefox to load the bookmarks. Once completed, your bookmarks will appear in the Bookmarks menu or toolbar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.